In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an A/B test for your email campaigns in HubSpot. This is a powerful way to optimize your marketing efforts by comparing different versions of your email to see which one performs better. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, let's navigate to where it all begins. Once you're logged into HubSpot, direct your attention to the top menu. Hover over Marketing. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Email. This is the central hub for managing all your email campaigns, whether you're crafting one-off emails or setting up complex sequences. Now that you're in the email section, what we want to do next is create a new email. Look for the option that allows you to initiate a new email campaign. As you proceed, you'll see different settings or options to customize your email. Here, you need to select the A/B test option. This functionality is key for testing the effectiveness of different aspects of your email and gives you valuable insights into what resonates with your audience. Once you've selected A/B test, it's time to set up your variants. A/B testing in emails typically involves creating two versions of an email with slight variations. For our purposes, we can create two different variants. This could mean varying the subject lines, altering the content within the email, or even changing the call to action buttons. One of the most common tests involves subject lines, as they have a major impact on open rates. However, you could get as creative as you like. Just ensure each variant offers something distinct to properly measure the difference in performance. With the variants set up, the next important task is defining the test audience size and the testing duration. The audience size will determine how large a sample sees each variant, and the duration sets how long the test will run before a winner is selected. Consider starting with a modest percentage of your total audience to test these variants. For example, 50% of your list divided equally between the two variants. As for duration, you might want to let the test run long enough to collect sufficient data, perhaps over a week or more, depending on your typical email engagement patterns. Finally, with everything set up, you'll want to launch your test. As you proceed, keep an eye on the performance metrics. HubSpot offers extensive analytics tools allowing you to track the open rates, click-through rates, and other engagement metrics that will guide you in deciding which email version was more effective. In conclusion, A/B testing is a fantastic way to fine-tune your email marketing strategy with HubSpot, helping you discover what truly works best for your audience. Once you've gathered enough data, you can utilize these insights to optimize future campaigns, ensuring you're always one step ahead in the marketing game. Happy testing!